Hey, what's up guys, Soldier Knows Best here. So I got this box in the mail a few days ago, and when I opened it up, I realized that there was a clock inside of it with the mophie logo on it. So this was kind of different and unique. And mophie is known for making a lot of different charging accessories like charging cases and portable chargers. So I'm always interested in something that's a little bit outside of the box. You get it? Unbox anyway. So yeah, so this is pretty cool. So when I did open it up, I found some documentation let me know about their new Power Station PD and Power Station PD XL. And so these are USB portable chargers, and USB PD stands for power delivery. And so the basic premise of USB PD is that this is a format that's going to be safe to use as far as charging your devices very quickly, and it's compatible with laptops and tablets that use USB-C ports. But today we're just going to focus on cell phones like the iPhone XS Max. So mophie claims in 30 minutes you should be able to get up to about 50% of charge with one of their PD chargers, and then with the charger that comes with the iPhone, in 30 minutes you should expect around 19% worth of a charge. And we'll come back to this in a second. All right, so when I put this to the side, there were some other things inside of the box, including these mophie wristbands. I guess when you're charging things fast, you start to sweat a little bit more, but they put these in, so I'll put one on for the rest of this video, just, why not? And they also threw in a USB-C to lightning cable, which Apple does not include with the iPhone, so you need to buy this separately, but thanks for mophie for throwing that in. And then also too, they have this little stopwatch. And then one more layer down from all of this stuff, we actually find the new PD charger. So again, you have the Power Station PD, the little guy, and the Power Station PD XL. And so with these, you can recharge two devices at the same time, but on the left hand side, you will find that USB-C port is going to be used for the PD charging, and also too is going to be used to recharge the power stations themselves. And if you want to get these power stations charged up quickly, you can use a USB-C wall adapter to achieve that. Then it also does have a button where you can press in to kind of get a good idea of your battery life that is left on one of these chargers. And for the design, you will find a little bit of texture on the top and the bottom of them with these little holes running on them. And then also too, you'll find that these are not that heavy. They're actually more lightweight than what I thought. And for the battery sizes, on the little guy, you will find a 6700 milliamp battery, and on the PD XL, you will find a 10,050 milliamp battery inside of that. And so I did want to do a quick test to see their claim of how much charge you can get in 30 minutes. So I took an iPhone XS Max at 20%, and then I plugged it into one of the PD chargers, and then I started the timer, and then I checked it 30 minutes later, and I was at 67%. So that's a gain of 47%. So it's about 3% off from their claim, but there's a little bit of room for error both ways. And so then I moved on to take the 5-watt charger that comes with the iPhone, and I plugged the iPhone into that, and I started at 58%, and I waited 30 minutes again, and then I eventually ended up at 72%. So that's a gain of just 14%. So this is a significant difference that you're going to be able to get with one of these PD chargers. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video covering these and kind of give a little bit of explanation with what USB PD is. And shout out to mophie for sending this and coming up with a unique thing to box up their products in. So I'll throw a couple links for these products down below in the description, and also to be sure to subscribe to me on YouTube so you can see all my other videos. And like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.